In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload any file to iCloud. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to manage your files seamlessly across all your devices using iCloud's powerful cloud storage capabilities. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access iCloud Drive. Begin by opening your favorite web browser and navigating to iCloud.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your Apple ID. This is your gateway to accessing all the features and storage options that iCloud Drive has to offer. Signing in with your Apple ID ensures that all your uploaded files remain secure and synced across your Apple devices. Once you've successfully signed in, locate and click on the Drive icon. This will lead you to the heart of iCloud Drive, where you can view your existing files and organize new ones. This intuitive interface allows you to interact with your cloud stored files as easily as if they were on your local computer. Now that you're inside iCloud Drive, consider how you'd like to upload your files. iCloud offers a couple of methods to get your files into the cloud. The first approach involves a simple and user-friendly drag and drop technique. To proceed, open a File Explorer window on your computer, locate the files you'd like to upload. They could be on your desktop or within any folder. Simply drag these files over to the iCloud Drive window and drop them either freely within your drive or into a specific folder of your choosing. This drag and drop method is perfect for quick uploads and supports a more visual approach if you prefer handling files directly. Alternatively, you can use the built-in upload function. In iCloud Drive, there's a convenient upload button typically represented by an icon featuring a downward arrow. You'll find this icon in the toolbar. Clicking it allows you to browse through your computer's directory and select files to upload. This method is particularly useful if you're more inclined towards precise file management, as it lets you navigate your folders methodically to ensure you're picking the exact files you want to upload. After you've selected your preferred method and initiated the upload process, ensure that your files are indeed uploading successfully. Keep an eye on your iCloud window for any progress indicators, and watch for confirmation signals to guarantee that your files have been uploaded and safely stored in the cloud. This step is crucial as it ensures that you have full access to your files from any connected device through iCloud. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully uploaded files to iCloud, enabling you to access them anywhere, anytime. Feel free to explore more of iCloud's features and take advantage of what it can offer for your digital lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and happy uploading.